Alright, so today we're going to be doing an oil change. Excuse me, I'm really short. But we're going to be doing an oil change on this vehicle. It's fairly easy. I just need to get it done. It's way overdue. It's gone through hell and back. So, yeah, I got to get it done now. So, let's get to work on that. Alright, so you need a 14 on this vehicle. Oh yeah. You gotta be careful because that shit's gonna spray out. Ready, 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 ready? Ready, 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 ready? Ready, 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 ready? Oh. Well, and now you know why I needed an oil change. There's not a whole lot that came out of that. Yeah, the oil pressure was way down. Way, way down. So, as you can see, that's almost done. And then you have your filter. You can't see. The filter's over here. Which, we have a wrench for that too. One of these is like the best thing that you can use. I love these. So we'll be getting that filter off with that. And there's the filter right there. So we'll get that off. And we'll start putting new oil in it. So that's almost done dripping. You want to make sure you get this as clean as possible. Mine is still good. But yeah, I like it to drip a little more just to get all that nasty gunk out of there. I mean, it won't matter at that point anymore. But basically, you're just gonna go and tighten back up. That way you don't forget. And I mean, you're already down here anyway, but that way you don't forget and you start pouring oil and it just goes straight into this junk right here. I mean, that should be good. That should be good. No! 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 I was trying to not get dirty. I'm always dirty, man. You don't even gotta torque it that much. I like it right about there. Alright, and then let's get the old filter removed. And then we'll see what's up with that. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh, come on. That was too easy. And that's gonna drip a little bit too. Oh, a whole lot of it. And you're just gonna throw it into the pan too. Nasty. All right, and there you have it. Now we'll put the new one back on in a little bit. Yo, make sure you get the right filter too. See, that's the new filter, S16, and that's an S16 as well. Yeah, make sure that you get the right filter once you, or before you start doing this job, because it's gonna be a world of bullshit if you get the wrong filter and you've kind of already started on this. So yeah, just make sure you do that. Okay, and then grab your old filter and your new one, and you just want to mush them together a little bit, create a seal. That one didn't create a good seal. Or even your finger, just rub it a little bit. Boom. Just on this black ring right here, you want to create a good seal. And then you want to put it back in, start tightening some stuff up. Hand tighten first. You don't want to ruin those threads. Alright. So there. It's getting hand tightened. You want to give it one more little crank. Just the tiniest crank. And then voila. And that's it, man. Then you open that bad boy up, put a little funnel in it, and then you're gonna throw in the oil. That's pretty much, that's where we're at right now. So let's do that. For this truck, it's a 2001 Dodge Ram 1500. It takes 10W30. It's not synthetic or anything. I just go with the AutoZone brand, the STP. It's all good. And then, yeah. All right, let's see. Oh yeah, look at that. Oh my goodness, that is some great oil pressure right there. And before, it'd be like right between 40 and the 0, so it was like at 20. Yeah, the pressure was like at 20. That is where you want it right there. That is a good job. That is nice. All right, I'm gonna leave it idling for a little while. I'm actually gonna be leaving pretty soon. I'm gonna go fishing with my nephews. But yeah, she sounds good. I think that's a job done. So yeah, there's a quick little thing before I have to go. Yeah, because I mean, it's a bad idea to be having it running like that, but I was fixing another car, and that's why I couldn't really get to this one, and this one was running running, busy. So I couldn't really get to it, but I got to it now, and we good. We Gucci. All right. See you guys later.